Hello, it's Chris Magnus with Street View Vagabond, and I'm here with another Unboxing the World video in which we dig into a random place around the world based on radio station that I'm listening to. And so today's radio station I'm listening to is KCR 107.7 FM out of Keith, Scotland, UK. And they're playing pretty throwback 70s, 80s music that involves um, uh, local bands, Scottish bands, and across the board. We got Alba, the Sutherland Brothers are Scottish. Today we're going to be doing Run Rig is going to be the band for the day, the song for the day, and they're a Scottish Celtic band, so they're singing in Scots Gaelic. Obviously here John Fogerty. So these are some pretty old oldies but goodies, as they say. But then also we have some more traditional stuff with the Highland Road and the Red Hot Chili Pipers, which is a bagpipe group, which I thought was a great name. So Keith Community Radio is located here in Keith, Scotland, which is actually not on the coast, and it is located here. So this is an unboxing video. So I have not done a lot of research on this place. So we're going to dig in, find out what it's like, and try to get a sense of, what we can find there. I'm going to put 40 minutes on the clock to see what we can find in Keith. I'm going to start here with Keith Radio and see if we can grab, and there it is. It's about to say, see if we can grab a shot of the Keith Radio. Now these icons here, you give it a few seconds, they do disappear, about 6 seconds. They disappear, and boom, we got ourselves a screenshot of Keith Radio. It almost looks like it's in a hangar. That's a great shot. And I'm looking here, this is October of 2014. So, 8 years ago, things may have changed. Keith Radio HQ, there we go. And then I take the screenshots and look on here to see. Oh, it goes all the way back to September 2000. It's September 2008. Oh, it's still Keith Community Radio. Cool. All right, let's come up to modern day 2014. We'll do it that way. Okay, so 2014, maybe what we're looking at here. Okay, so let's check out Keith. That's pretty. So what I do is I take these screenshots, try to get a sense of the flavor of the town, try to find what life is like there. It's something that I really do enjoy doing because I'm always finding something new. Homes with flowers and something unexpected. Know something a little bit more about the history of the world. Look at that, we got some sunshine there. We're still in 20. No, we're back to 2008. This is pretty old from a Street View standpoint. So I just learned this week that Street View started May 25th, 2007. That's pretty. May 25th, 2007. So it just finished its 15th birthday. And here we are. So this is coming in shortly. I think this is a 2000. Yeah, this is a 2008 shot. It's not too long into Street View history. This was being shot here. Homes with flowers too. Okay, cool. So we got Keith Community Radio. This looks like a pretty, it's a pretty residential street. Just gonna swing through. Oh, that's interesting. This is like a extra. Oh, it's a dormer. Okay, so we've got some extra windows there. What do we got up here? Is that a donut? It's a traffic circle. Or is it a park? It's a memorial. Are we still in 2000? No, we're back in 2014. Okay. Whoa, 2021. This jumps up. What we got here. Wow, look at that. You can read that. This is 2021. This looks like this is World War One, like the Great War. Look at that shot. Nice. Let's do that. That's cool. 2021 coming through with a better lens. Okay. So World War One, Great War. And then we'll get, let's see if we can get another, these flowers are pretty. And just back to, oh, it's still 2021. Okay. So, actually, let's go around the other side. See what we can get over here. Oh, it's still hard to see. But this one I think is a little bit better. It looks like this one is wearing a kilt. It kilts there. Cool. This is a soldier from Scotland, L2, already fallen from the Great War. I don't know if it's just the Great War, if there's others. So no flags here. I saw flags earlier. I think it was I think that this shot. We're having a few different shots just because I'm trying to get the angle right. Establishing this one actually looks like a really good one. But again, that August 2021, there's a huge difference between the camera quality. You can see from 2008 to 2021. Okay. Let's go into town. Let's see what we got. I see a church over here. Let's go. Is that a dog? Oh, it's not a real dog. Is this like a dog park? That's cool. Church grounds dog park. That's a cool shot. I like that. Church of Scotland, Kirk of Keith. Kirk of Keith. St. Rufus. In case I want it. I don't know what I'm going to share on social media, so I just take a bunch of shots. That's what's going on. That's Kirk of Keith. Kirk is. That potentially. I just learned this. It's called, well, according to Google Translate, it's called Scots Gaelic. I wonder if that's different than, or how different it is from Irish. Kirk of Keith too. Church of Scotland. Okay. Yes. What is this? All right. Yes, gonna be in there. Whiskey line. What? Keith and Dovetown Railway is a whiskey line. Figure out what that is. That looks cool. Whiskey line. doesn't look like I can get. Oh, can I get in there? I can get in there. Sweet, let's do it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, dude. Where is it? Where's the historical marker? To the trains. Red squirrel. Another red squirrel of UK. Cool. Trains. The train. All right, it looks like a Dufftown. Here's Keith. Right? Okay. I saw that on. Let me take this as my goodbye shot. I may or may not use this one, but we'll see. What is this, October? What is October? So this is back in 2014. I'll probably see goodbye. I may use that one. May not. We'll see. I don't think I can get it. No. Okay. There's a train over here. There's an actual train there. I'll have to do a little research on that one. This is 2021. So it looks like they built. Is that still around? Oh, wait a minute. Nice. I can get that shot too. Town. Oh, that's a good shot. We got the spire in the background. Cool. All right, so it looks like we got a little tiny train that connects Keith with Dufftown. All right, cool. This is definitely going out of town. What is this? Earl's Malt accommodations. Oh, that's the River Isla. Oh, okay. Cool. That's the Lotus Platforms. Permanently closed. Sorry. Let the icon disappear. All right, so this is from 2021. This has just gone out of business recently. Let's do that. I'm still grabbing the shot because just hesitating because I want to see. I like the corner shop location of that sign, but okay. I don't have. Wait, this looks like this is still town. What's going on? We got a spa. 5 Keith Hair and Beauty. Nice. Let these icons disappear here. Got a nice, got an Audi. Station wagon. Keith Hair and Beauty. That's straw. Oh, Strath Isla Bakery. Wait a minute. We got the Isla River. We got the Isla. Is this still open? We got the Isla Railway. Misremembering that. Let's let that go. Okay. This is definitely 2021. The woman is with a mask on. I think. Strap. They're getting really good. Stupid sandwich game. I'm gonna call this Strap Isla Bakery 2. What do we got? So is this not? Is this key? I don't know if this is key. Dufftown. Strath Island. What? The Boogie Woogie Coffee Shop. Nice. I think we need to go to the Boogie Woogie Coffee Shop. Oh, sweet. What is it? This is 2015. Boogie Woogie Coffee Shop. Is it going to be up here? Oh, there it is. Can I get it now? What is the Boogie Woogie Coffee Shop? It's like a retail shop. The Boogie Woogie. It's, the sign is like literally right in front of it. It's just a shop. There's got to be something about this place. Doesn't it say like Boogie Woogie Coffee Shop? Boogie Woogie Coffee Shop. Wait, let's see what we got here. It says coffee shop. Okay. Oh, it's got some retail. What is that? Got some retail. Cool. Boogie Woogie. Let's try the pilot. Okay, it's right here. There we go. Boogie Woogie. Fife Street. All right, let's let that go. With the Boogie Woogie. Nice. Boogie Coffee Shop 3. Okay, cool. All right. All right, let's go back to Keith. I think it's this way, right? The beauty. What's this side? Alba. There's the actual roads. What's the actual railway station? Whoa. All right, I'm gonna end up getting lost here. Do you want to get? All right, let's go back to Keith. All right, so this I came across the river, Keith Town. Just curious, where's the other? So here's the Keith train station. But this is like a key town, like it stops there and it goes down to Dufftown, right? So it must be like a little tiny chain. And then this key. Right, let's go here. This looks like this is center of townish. Look at that. It's traffic circle with a camera. That's pretty. That's cool. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that before. In terms of traffic circles. It's just a monument to CCTV. Sorry. Okay. I'm just gonna call this downtown key. That's cool. Let's go check it out. I was just running to school. That's pretty. That's definitely like overcast on this September day. So this is taken September 2021. Yeah, definitely it's pretty residential. All right, let's check this place out. We're going back in time. We are. It's 2014. What is this? This is Food Friday. What's a school? Oh, there's the school. This is St. Thomas Primary School. Okay. Oh, whoa, check this out. What are you doing? That is cool. What are you doing the roof? Like a stone roof. That might be my good vibes right there. We got the girl running to school around the corner. Right? The pears. Let's get a better shot. This is Thomas. That's gonna be a good shot. I'm not gonna do that. Thomas. Which I think. No, I said St. Thomas. St. Thomas Catholic Church, yeah. There we go. Let's just go here. Got a park coming up over here. Very soon. Oh, is that halfway? Some solar panels. Cool. Okay, I missed my opportunity. Let's go back to the boat barn. This is a giant square. What's the boat barn? Let's let the icon disappear for a second. Let's do it. The boat and barn. Cool name, I like that. Boat and barn. Electric charging station. downtown. That's cool. They charge one shop. Let's see what else we got. What is this? Square Roots. Ooh, that's a good name. What is this? Another coffee shop? Ooh, can I get it on the corner? Homes for That's a great name. All right, I gotta get it. This is 2021. All right. Let that go. When I think square roots, I'm thinking it's gonna be like root vegetables, like we're gonna have lots of good potatoes and parsnips. Square roots. It's got like a math connotation. All right, this is what I want to get. This sign here. Homes for a quarter mile. It's good. I like it. Let's let that go. Get that icon off of there. Boom. Nice. This is a really good shot right here. Actually, let me get this guy out. Square. It's on the main square. Square roots. There's a lot good. There's a lot good going on with this name. I like it. Square roots stuff. Now let's check out square roots. Oh well, we got like a family photo. Look at this. Nice. Look at that waffle. Got breakfast. That is a traditional Scottish breakfast, or UK breakfast maybe. Baked beans, tomatoes, mushrooms. This looks like a decent place. What are we drinking? Windswept Brewery. Cool. Gin flights. Choose 3 gins and any 2 feet retreat time. Cool. Sunshine on Heath. All right, let's take this shot. Session IPA. Square Roots Cafe, Les Thompson. Let's throw that in there. That. Square Roots and yes, Thompson. Day shift. Beers. American Pale. I don't really need any of that. Spey Valley. The original Spey Valley. Spey Valley. Brewed in the heart of Speyside, Scotland. Okay. Cool. So absolutely warmer climate, the Golden Valley. It's interesting. This is Man Keith. What? Spey Valley. Awesome. Spey Valley Brewery. Thanks, Jared. There we go. Stoneman's Nick, Keith, and Jared. First name's good. Drinks list. Yeah, it does have a carrot on it. See, that wasn't wrong. Chrome, Olivia, roasted in Alba, crafted in Keith. Looks good. Lemons. Oh, is it one more? This is the one I wanted to get. No, I got sunshine. There's the front. Yeah, it still needs to. This is what I want. Stay down. This is what I want. Okay. All right, let's get out of square roots. All right, let's check out what else we got. There's not a ton of visual. What's this? Shopping key. Look at that. Oh no. I think it's cool, but it annoys me what I'm trying to do. Now I get okay. Where is that? I gotta get a shot of that. I gotta get a shot of that traffic circle with a camera in the middle. It's like I'm gonna check out that shop inkeep.com. Oh, Making for you since 1943. So let's get out of here. This is a tough one. All right, let that icon disappear. Okay, I'm trying to get this shopping key from the side. I was cutting it off. Blue cheese bakery. Okay. Blue cheese bakery. Probably spelling it wrong. Don't get upset. Oh, this looks like some public art here. Who's this? Rotary Club. Nice. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh, can't complain. The one thing that it's like Street View does jump. Okay. Let's let that. Oh, we can get that straight up there. Nice. What are we seeing here? Houses and churches and spires. Oh, no. What's going on with the Rotary Club? La 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 la. Boom. We just keep the Rotary. So let's do that. Beauty retreat. Let's let that go. All right, we got about 6 minutes left. What's that? Shears. Oh, haircutting shops. Studio 55. Take a right. Oh, Lotus Petal, did you move? Nice. Homes for 300. Wait, this is 2014. This is 2021. Okay. Let's go Studio 55. Let's do it. Humps. That humps photo. Oh man, still immature after all these years. Actually, let's do that a little bit further. So I can get through. And just put 300 yards. Less than a quarter of a mile. And then I'll get up here, Tooties. What does Tooties take away? What is a muckle? Wait a minute, I got you. That is interesting. All right, let's see what Tooties is all about. Actually, let's get more in the alley. So let's get, I got the trash cans here, but this alley is interesting too. Let's do it this way. Oh, we got Tooties takeaway. I'm looking at these flags. These flags. They're still around. They've been around for years. That's cool. Look at that building. And all green on there. Oh. That's cool. All right, let's let the green shine because apparently, oh, that is a cool door. Look at that. That is so cool. Cool door. Now we've got, look at that. It's a door on the corner. And it's got trash cans in front of it. Shot, but it's just really cool. Oh, humps for 275 yards. And then it does say muckle, right? It just says muckle. What is muckle? No, this doesn't say muckle. Tailors of key. It's always fun to say something different. Fit. Oh my gosh, they say something. What do these flags say? Fit like. Got 2 minutes left, and I'm just on this big mystery here with these flags. Fit like cone. So I guess they're not connected. This is an interesting thing. Fit like cone. What direction we're going. And this is 2021. Gordon statements. Okay, did I get that? Oh, dude, that's beautiful. Look at that. Golden staples. Look at, we got the kids in the community room. That's really cool. It's really cool. Colors. Golden band. Golden staples. Uh, I love that. I'm trying to figure out these flags. Where's this flag? So I can't read this flag. That does say current. And there's only one flag there. Well, now in 2014, the flag is still there. It says something. Right, I'm just gonna grab these. This is a mystery. It's gonna be my question. Oh, that's my time. Dang it. 3:55. All right, so this is a decent mystery, trying to figure out what is going on with these little flags. And it looks like they're not everywhere, but they're lined up good enough. And I think I already got that one, didn't I? Did I get muckle? That's the one that made me start this whole process of being like, what is the muckle flag? What's going on? Interesting. Okay. So I have run out of time, but it looks like these flags are all up and down. Whoa, they all up and down the street. And then we got a spiral here. I think I just came across the main street of Keith as I've been spending so much time on other streets. And here's like the finally getting to the heart of it. This happened a lot. I spend a lot of time doing stuff and other weird things. Okay, so I'm gonna look a little bit more on yeah, look at that. It says moon. Moon. I don't know what to say. And this one, what does it say? Does it say fabulous? It's like it doesn't have a connection to the restaurant, right? With the moon, Bengal spice. An Indian restaurant with a moon flag. That fabulous. That's like grandma. Wow, grandma might be fabulous. So there we go. Okay, mystery to be determined. So we got to figure this out. Okay. Anyway, this has been Chris Maggie's Mystery Review Vagabond. If you watched this far, um, I worry about you. Anyway, this is an unedited video, just kind of showing the process, and it's all good fun. All right, thanks. Take care.